Hey, what's going on? It's your man Big John, John Restoration, located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. We're back again with that satin black Audi, the one we did about a year ago. Car used to be silver. We did it all satin black, and originally we did all the rims, the emblems, the mirrors, and the grille gold. Well, the customer's a Falcon fan, and he wanted to change all the gold to the candy apple red. So that's what we did for him this time. Also, we got the video coming out. We just did a matte purple Range Rover for him also. Matte purple and black on a Range Rover for the same customer. The difference between a matte paint job and a satin paint job, the satin has a little sheen to it. It's not a deep shine, but just a little sheen to it. That's the difference. A matte is totally dulled out with no shine at all. Both of these are very popular. And this is not plastic dip, this is paint with a satin clear over it. John Restoration, Virginia Beach, Virginia, 757-713-2277.